You are going to love the 2021 Rio 5-Door. The Kia Rio 5-Door vehicle is a compact hatchback with a newly designed and improved interior. The Rio 5-Door also comes with an improved technology package that features its tablet-like touchscreen and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, FWD, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.